Hello, New Yorkers. This is Barbara Gokia, the inheritance lawyer in my Manhattan office. And today let's talk about families with minor children and why it is imperative for them to do an estate plan, a plan for the future to make sure that their children are protected no matter what life brings. When it comes to our children, we all plan ahead. We search for good districts, school districts, and we move in that neighborhood. We save money for their college fund. We plan ahead for their summer camps. So why would you leave it to the courts to decide who's going to be the guardian of your children in case something happens to you? It is imperative for parents to do a planning to make sure that their kids are protected and don't leave this important decision to the courts. So if you don't plan ahead and something happens to you, part of your assets will be inherited by your minor children. But in New York State, minors cannot own property. Thus, the court will nominate somebody to manage your children's property until they turn 18 years old. And this is extremely frustrating, time-consuming, and of course, expensive, because this person who's managing your children's property supposed to report to the court and give an accounting each and every year for each and every penny spent from the children's account. So it is frustrating, and it shouldn't happen to your children. In order to avoid this problem, in your will, you have to create a minor's trust, or you have to create a separate trust agreement for the management of your children's property. Let's see now what happens to your stepchildren if something happens to you. If you are a step-parent of a child, that child will not inherit from you unless it's legally adopted or you put your wishes in writing. In other words, your stepchildren will be completely disinherited and receive nothing from you, and probably not even the treatment that you would like. In order to avoid this, you should put your wishes in writing, create a plan for them and for your future. I know these are very difficult conversations, but they are part of life. So if you have minor children, please talk to a specialized estate planning attorney and make sure that your children are protected no matter what life brings. Or you can also click on the link below and learn more about how to protect your children. This is Barbara Gokia, the inheritance lawyer. Thank you for watching.